want some coffee. Ooh. We still haven't mastered the pour. After all these years. What's the plan today? Where are we at again?
We are just west of Twin Falls, Idaho. Mm-hmm. And we actually made our first reservation for a campground in 3 months or so.
Yeah.
So we booked a campground east of here, outside of Idaho Falls.
Mm-hmm. We haven't plugged this thing into 30 amp since we've got our new battery.
No, we got our new battery in July.
The end of, yeah, I guess
Mid-July.
the beginning of July.
It is now mid-September.
Yeah.
And we only plugged into 110 at her mom's house a few times, but it wasn't to charge the battery, it was just to save propane because we're running the fridge off propane. So when we're parked at her mom's house, we would plug in and just switch the fridge to the battery.
Yeah.
So yeah. Today,
And I want to make French fries today in the oven.
Yeah.
Burgers and fries.
Yeah, we got potatoes from
my dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, he dug some potatoes on our way out, and oh, they're gonna be tasty. I'm looking forward to that.
So we're gonna drive through Twin Falls today, and we made reservations. It's a Saturday. It's really nice weather, so I thought let's just get a camp spot and actually plug this thing in for the first time.
Yeah.
See how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
But now we can kind of just. It's probably a 3-hour drive, but we're probably gonna make it take 6 or 7 hours.
Quite a long time. I gotta get a workout in this morning. We're at the fairgrounds here.
Yes, we are.
Camped here for the night, and then we're gonna drive over to the high school, and he's gonna run the track. And yeah, we'll get that done this morning, and then we'll head down the road. Maybe we'll stop and see the falls, but I think our friend Mike was saying they're probably pretty low right now.
Mm.
Probably the lowest they are for the season. The fall rains haven't come yet, so. But it is feeling like fall. As you can see, we're kind of bundled up. It's chilly in the mornings and warm during the days, which I actually love that time of year. So.
Guess we should turn the heater on.
Yeah, we haven't been leaving it on, so yeah. All right, let's get this day going.
Okay.
Good morning. So there's a bridge here in Twin Falls where people come to base jump, is that what they call it? And like pull their parachute.
Yeah.
Right? They ride the little thermal down. We saw this last time we came through this area. We had no idea what was going on. People were just jumping off the bridge. So we pulled over to check it out.
People started jumping off like, whoa. So we pulled over. There's a really nice viewpoint on the north side?
North side.
North side of the bridge.
This is Snake River here.
And yeah. Then a nice little viewpoint. You walk down and it's pretty. There's some more getting ready to go.
Yeah, so there's some jumpers here today.
Oh, he's getting over the edge.
Yeah, check it out. Ooh, that's a pretty one.
I could barely watch it. It's like I'm afraid it's not going to open.
I like that parachute.
I don't want to witness that.
I've bungee jumped before. This is close to this as I'll ever get, and I'll never do that again. Do you want to try that, babe? No? You gotta have a lot of faith in that parachute.
I can really stand here and film it.
Oh man, those people are nuts. How fun for them though, man. So we drove through Twin Falls and there's a Saturday market happening, so we're gonna go check it out. See if we can rustle up a scone and coffee maybe.
I'm down.
All right. Well, we didn't find coffee or scone, but we found some farm-raised beef, and we got some
4 New York strips. They would grade out prime, and they make all their burger from really quality roasts.
Filling up our
6 pounds. So
We gotta make room, okay.
We're gonna make room.
But let's not take any of your spoonwood out of the freezer. We'll figure it out.
Okay, I guess we'll eat it all today.
Okay. Now we found some coffee and we gotta get this girl a pop cup. Don't you think, baby? You need a little treat? All right.
Oh, she smells it. Look at her.
She smells coffee and she knows what's up.
We've never been here before.
No.
Never. But she knows the smell of Starbucks, I swear. She's like a sled dog.
Any coffee and she'll want that whipped cream.
Now she knows. She'll sit here and wait.
She just has to wait. Okay.
Well, they had some coffee.
Oh, not yet. It's this is just yours. I'm sorry, we have to wait a minute. There's your coffee.
Is Mama coming? Is Mama coming? Is that Mama?
Still, have you been a good girl? Yes, every day.
Oh boy. She was waiting very impatient.
I see. I mean, I can see why. Oh my gosh.
What a spoiled little girl.
I love her so much. I think we got it, girl. I think we got it. Okay, get the top. There we go. Okay, all gone. Good girl. Okay, we stopped to get a few more groceries on our way out of town, and we decided we're not going to see the falls today. It's probably pretty low, and it's kind of not in the direction we're going. We're headed to a campground. We do have reservations tonight. It's already noon, and it's about a 3-hour drive away, which will probably be 4 for us at least. So we're just gonna get on the road, make a few miles, and
Make some lunch.
and then get to camp and do camp things.
Been a minute.
I'm looking forward to getting french fries in the oven. You guys, this is exciting. We saw a billboard for Idaho Potato Museum, so we're going. Potato Museum! Look at the giant potato! Oh my gosh. We gotta get a picture. Yeah, I guess we Okay, well, we determined there's absolutely nowhere to park. There must be some like big event. This is in Blackfoot, Idaho. Like there's somebody standing outside their yard with a $10 park sign and everything is full. Like
Drove around for like
it's
a mile square
nuts.
and there's no place to park.
Can't imagine the potato museum's that
There's something else
popular,
going
so
on.
something else is happening.
There's something going on behind us.
Yeah, it's a cute town though. But yeah, no potato museum today, but you saw the giant potato outside, right?
I didn't see it.
Yeah, you gotta look, it has a big pat of butter on it. Look at that thing. It's making me hungry. All right, back to the freeway and back to the campground. Okay.
Ryrie?
Ryrie? I don't know. We made it to camp. We were at Juniper?
Yes.
Juniper? Juniper, yes.
Juniper?
I kept thinking Jasper. Yes, Juniper Campground. This is,
Just east of Idaho Falls.
yes, that. But there's a body of water down here, and it's
Ryrie?
Ryrie or Riri.
I'm sure we'll hear about it in the comments. But
Sorry.
R-I-R-I-E.
It's a reservoir. They've
Reservoir.
dammed it, and it's pretty cool. We're kind of up high, but you can kind of see it down here a little bit. Can we see it? Yeah, through the trees there. Anyway, so yes, we just got pulled in, fed the girl, and we're actually going to be plugging in our camper for the first time to 30 amp. Now, for those of you that don't know, we have added 3 100 amps of Battle Born Lithium to this camper with a 3000 watt Victron inverter, and we are Battle Born ambassadors, so I want to throw that out there. But we've had it for a few months now. We have not hooked into 30 amp yet.
Been living in the camper full time since, well, with the battery system full time since we had it installed in July.
Yeah.
We've never plugged into 30 amp. So we've plugged in, but I haven't turned on yet.
Okay.
To make sure everything works great.
I'm gonna go in and check what our battery's at right now, and then I'm gonna time this and see how long it takes to come back up to 100%. So let me go check what it's at right now. Oh, hi, baby. Okay. We are at 79.4. Okay, you want to plug us in?
Okay. Inverter's already on.
Yes, inverter's on.
What's the matter?
She's excited.
Okay.
Plug us in, man. Huh? Oh, boy. All right, we're on. Okay, let's time this. What time is it, babe?
3:44.
3:44. Okay, 3:44. We're at 79.4. We will get back to you when this is 100% to let you know how long that took. Now, mind you, we do have our Starlink plugged in, so we are using as we're pulling in. So there's a lot going on here.
But the solar panel's way up there and the sun's over there, so we're not getting.
Yeah, we're not getting solar, but I was mentioning we have our Starlink plugged in, so we are using power.
Right.
As well as charging.
That's true.
So I wanted to point that out too. So okay, cool. We'll meet you back here and let you know what's going on. Okay, we are now at 99.8, so I'm just gonna call it at 100. But
40 minutes.
40 minutes it took to go from basically 80% up to 100.
Yep,
So
79% to 100. But we're charging devices, our backup camera, and running Starlink, which pulls like 150 or something.
Yeah, so we're definitely happy with how quickly that's charging.
So basically, if we're charging everything and running Starlink, if we were at 0, which would never be, that would be a little over 3 hours to run it all out there.
Pretty fast, actually.
It's pretty fast.
So.
It's pretty fast.
Cool. I gotta get some potatoes in this oven because I'm hungry.
I gotta try the new knife.
Oh, you want to cut the potatoes for me? Okay, sounds good. Let's do it. Okay. Now, if you don't know the story of this knife, watch our last video because he explains kind of where we got it, what he did with it. But he put the handle on this in case you missed it.
Ball bearing steel and stupid sharp.
Yes.
So first actual time it's cut food.
Yeah.
Okay, I cut easy.
Too easy?
Wow. Wow. I like that?
Sure.
It just follows through. Yikes.
Nice. So I want little fingers out of those.
Like,
not your finger, though.
Don't say that.
Just, yeah, fries. There you go. Perfect. 2 potatoes. I think that's enough. I'm just going to do like a little avocado oil. And then I like this Lowry's. This is good. I put this on everything, really. Season that up. And I'm also putting this house special seasoning on it. Not that side. Give it a little toss. And these will probably go in at 400. I don't know for how long in this oven, maybe for 30 minutes or so. You can make the burgers?
I'll make the burgers.
Okay, deal. We have burgers, we have fries.
We have...
Amazing. Those actually took a lot longer than I thought. It was almost like an hour and a half to cook those. And I think some of them might still be tough.
I'm so hungry, I don't care.
We don't care. Load me up.
Load you up.
Thanks, Dad, for the potatoes. Mmm. It's weird we're in Idaho, but we're eating Oregon potatoes. Those are good. All right.
I thought there'd be more leftovers. I was thinking it was going to be like make hash browns tomorrow with eggs.
There will not be leftovers of
guess
these fries. Where are we heading? We're heading into Wyoming.
Into the Tetons tomorrow.
Into the Tetons, and we're actually going to our friend's house in Du Bois, staying with him a couple days, and then
Regroup.
Yeah, regroup and just making our way east. So, see you down the road somewhere. Carry on.
Carry on.
Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.